At the sky now from our home of Economy View in Grand Forks. From flakes flying earlier today, things are looking on the up and up as we head through your Good Friday and into your Easter weekend. Our conditions look to be pretty fair. And on some of your phones, you're seeing apps. We're getting questions. Hey, my app says 60s and even 71 next week into the following weekend. We don't think so, and here's why. We have a lot of snow. And well, some phone apps that you get for weather aren't like the Valley News Live weather app. We invite you to try it today. Search VNL Weather in the App Store today. Here's what they're missing. This is an important part of the equation. We have deep snowpack, and a forecasting rule we learn, and it's one to pass along, is we rarely see temperatures hit 50 degrees if we have deep snow over more than 50% of the area. So until we get some bare earth in our area here, we're not going to see temperatures even cross that 50 threshold. There is a chance, but we're going to show you this visible satellite. We'll watch the melting away of our snowbanks, and when that gets a little closer to our communities, we'll have a chance. There's always a chance in the trees of Minnesota, by the way, that pine tree effect adds as those pine trees absorb more of the sun's energy. For now, our energy is going into melting these snowbanks and evaporating the water from them. 40 degrees at Hector right now, 41 Fergus Falls, 30 in Roseau, 27 in Devils Lake, and 32 in Jamestown. And a number of our western counties have well over a foot added to the snowbanks in their region, and we saw another 1 to 5 inches brought across that Highway 200 corridor earlier today. Tonight, quiet. Temperatures pretty steady and a fair evening. A little breezy down south, and call it super spiffy, as you saw up top. Overnight, we do expect the winds to pick up. See the green arrows here? 15 to 35 miles per hour to start your day down near our southern counties, and just breezy for the rest of us. Temperatures not far from 20. We'll see a few teens in the far north. That's how your weekend begins. Yep, increasing clouds from the west. This is a warm front trying to push in. Look at the gusty winds, 15 to 40 miles per hour in a couple of spots. And spotty sprinkles is all we're going to get from this. It doesn't look like an organized band of 4 or 5 inches of snow at this point. Temperatures, look at this, responding quite nicely to near 40 degrees ahead of this system in places we do get some sunshine in the trees of Minnesota. 21 to start your weekend off here in the FM area. We'll ramp it up into the low 40s. It will be breezy, 15 to 30 miles per hour. Windier still in our southern counties, particularly down south of I-94, 39 Grand Forks, and 45 for Roseau and for Paul Bunyan on your Saturday. Soaring temperatures this week, well, it sounds great, and it is going to be great, but we're going to melt some snow. So through our holiday weekend, Easter Sunday, 41 degrees, and then the heat is on. Easter Monday, 45 degrees, and then we'll be kissing 50 each and every day. And as we just talked about, as we erode some of the snowbanks in the area, we'll have an increasingly better chance at seeing temperatures near 50. So stay tuned to Valley News Live. I do not think we'll cross that threshold for some time, but we will have melting going on from Wednesday on, even overnight, as temperatures remain at or above freezing. So the water will flow from the snowbanks through the ditches to the tributaries and the main stem red, and you can get the latest on river levels and flooding concerns and hot spots as they appear on the Valley News Live weather app and on our website.
The area's going to look a lot different in another week or two with all that melting.
It's going to feel great.
Yeah. Thanks, Hutch.
Still ahead on Valley News Live at 6, a $20,000 treasure is hiding somewhere in Grand Forks. We'll tell you how you can get in on the action.